Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring on PC. First, let's ensure your system is ready. You'll want to check your computer's specifications against the game's minimum requirements to guarantee a smooth experience. Make sure your operating system is Windows 10 or newer, and you have at least 60 gigabytes of free storage. An internet connection is also essential for initial activation and accessing online features, so be sure you're connected before you begin your adventure. Once your system is prepared, the next step is installing the game. You can purchase and download Elden Ring through popular digital storefronts such as Steam. Simply follow the clear on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. It's also important to allow the game to download any necessary day one patches or updates, which often include crucial fixes and improvements. If you encounter any issues, verifying the game file integrity can often resolve them quickly. To get the best experience, optimizing your game's performance is key. You'll want to adjust the in-game graphics settings to find a good balance between visual quality and a smooth frame rate. Don't hesitate to experiment with different resolutions and anti-aliasing options to see what works best for your setup. Also, customize your keyboard and mouse controls for maximum comfort. Many players also find that using a compatible game controller offers a more immersive and intuitive way to explore the lands between. Now you're ready to begin your epic journey. Start by creating your character, carefully choosing a class that aligns with your preferred playstyle, whether it's a mighty warrior or a cunning sorcerer. Take your time exploring the tutorial area. It's crucial for learning the fundamental combat mechanics and movement. Always pay close attention to environmental clues and the dialogue from non-player characters, as they often provide vital information. Most importantly, don't be afraid to experiment with different weapons and spells to find what truly suits you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.